Hi, I'm Grace of Andonix. Thanks so much for clicking on this walkthrough of our Digital Andon cord.
Using our Smart Workstation mobile app, I will demonstrate how an Andon event can be initiated directly from the mobile app when something goes not according to plan using our digital work instructions. Toyota pioneered the Andon cord, which empowered workers to stop a production line by pulling on a string that caused a light to illuminate, attracting the attention of a supervisor and alerting them of a production issue. In this case, you can see that the machine is exerting too much pressure. So to alert my team, I leave the work instruction and I initiate an Andon event requesting help and support. Andon systems are now fairly common, but beyond quality, their uses are limited. Andonix is leveraging connected and mobile devices to make Andon cords widely accessible with an intelligent algorithm that escalates problems automatically to the right person in the organization every time. And now that help has been provided and the machine is now within range, I can carry on with my work instruction and complete the rest of the operation. The Digital Andon cord facilitates 10x faster problem resolution, tracks every situation to a level never seen before, and enables continuous improvement, driving up both quality and productivity. By using the Andon cord function, our clients have added 6% to margin and seen a 10x return on investment.
Thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Andonix channel for more insightful content. Hit the notification bell to stay updated. See you next time.